Thank you for the plates.
Sloan is helping her dad unload the dishwasher by handing him plates and such.
Here, help me now. Thank you. Alright, that goes. You can actually put that away for me. It goes in that drawer right there. Thank you so much. You want to put this away? It goes in here. Put it right here. Good job. Push it in. I'll shut the drawers. Alright, now we're going to open this. Alright, you want to hand Mommy stuff to help us put stuff away? Give that to Mommy.
Alright, Mommy's going to help. Cup. Thank you.
You want to give that to Mommy? Give that to Mommy.
That's another cup. Thank you.
I got a bunch of stuff for you, Sloan. Can you put that in your drawer down there? Yeah, you can keep them together. That's fine. They can stay together. Alright, you got another one. Here you go. Right goes to that same space. Alright, give that to Mommy.